How to buy love token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going to buy this token, just make sure to take a look on their X account. As you can see, they have enough community there and keep following their updates about their token. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going and open it on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token is in XRPL. And as you can see, this is their information of that token. If you click on their website, you will be able to buy this token because these websites, they have that option on it. Now, as you can see, buy love, just click on it. And as you can see, you can now buy it in firstledger.net. Now make sure to connect your wallet on it and create an account on it. So after that, as you can see, scroll down and you will be able to find that option to buy this token. Now if you click here, you will switch or edit the slippage from here if you want like to increase it or decrease it like that. Now after that, type how much you want to buy with XRP, and this is how much you will receive of that token love. It's 4 billion. If you find it more, just decrease how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive that token. Now make sure to read all of this about this token, the market cap, the 24 hours volume, and if you are ready to go, just click on buy love. As you can see, connect your wallet. Now you must to connect your wallet to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a love token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.